Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the voice ID of your voices on ElevenLabs, both via the website and the API. First, let's look at the website method. Go to My Voices in your ElevenLabs account. You'll see all the voices you've created or have access to. For the voice you want the ID of, click the More Actions button, which looks like 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Copy Voice ID. This will copy the unique voice ID to your clipboard, which you can then use in your projects, API calls, or integrations. If you want to get voice IDs using the API, you can use the List Voices endpoint. This API call will return a complete list of all voices available for your account, including their names, properties, and voice IDs. You can then select the ID you need for text-to-speech generation or other workflows using either of these methods. You can quickly and easily access the unique IDs of your voices, which is essential for automating voice generation or integrating ElevenLabs with other tools. That's it. Now you know how to find your voice IDs via the ElevenLabs website and API. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more ElevenLabs tips and tutorials.